Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes and Tools. Today we're taking a look at an AI tool that's been getting a lot of attention, Pikzels AI. We'll see how it performs and if it's really worth the hype. Stay with us and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below which AI tool I should review next.
Pikzels is packed with powerful, time-saving features, built specifically for content creators who want to stand out and grow fast. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikToker, or Reels creator, Pikzels helps you create scroll-stopping thumbnails and high-converting titles in just seconds. Its AI analyzes the most viral formats and trends across platforms, then generates custom visuals and catchy headlines designed to get clicks. No more struggling with design tools or second-guessing your titles. Pikzels does the heavy lifting for you. One of the best things about Pikzels is how beginner-friendly it is. You can start for free with no credit card required, and in just a few clicks you're generating content that looks like it was made by a professional marketing team. If you're serious about your growth, their paid plans unlock unlimited generations, advanced customization options, and access to a huge library of premium templates, all priced with creators in mind. Pikzels also offers a solid affiliate program, giving you a way to earn passive income by simply sharing your custom referral link. Hit try for free and you're in. No complicated setup or payment required. And if you want help or feedback, they've built an active community on Discord where creators exchange tips, showcase results, and stay updated on new features. I personally tried Pikzels and was impressed by how fast and effective it is. Within minutes, I was generating titles and thumbnails that actually looked better than my usual ones. It's fast, fun, and kind of addictive. If you're a creator looking to boost your content and save hours of work, Pikzels might just be your new favorite tool.